Hey guys, Happy New Year and thank you for watching. This is Hero from TechSpot Japan bringing you another exciting unboxing or bagging video. I received a package from Deal Extreme today. I think I ordered it about last month and it finally came. Today's January 2nd of 2011 and yeah, let's just start the unboxing. Not boxing but okay, let's see. Let's open it over here. So, it's some iPod protectors, an iPhone, so I assume it's the iPhone cases that I got. Okay. So here is the whole package. Okay, I got 4. And okay, so I got 4 cases and this is the original one and these are almost identical. So thank you for watching and see you again.